Updating your primary email on your Google account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. Once signed in, locate the Personal Info section on the left-hand menu. Click on it to view your personal information settings. Step 3. Find your email settings. Scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on Email. Here, you will see your current primary email address listed. Step 4. Change your primary email. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering the new email, Google will send a verification link to that address. Check your new email inbox, click the verification link, and confirm the change to finalize the update. Updating your primary email is important for account security and communication. Make sure to keep your information current to avoid any access issues in the future.